Alright guys, today I figured I'd do an assembly video of the Aquos EasyMate motor stand. For those that don't know what this is, it's an outboard motor stand / outboard engine carrier for small to medium sized outboards. The maximum size engine is 20 horsepower with a maximum weight of 90 pounds. But chances are you already knew that, so let's get to assembly. The first thing you're going to want to do is lay out all of your parts to make sure nothing is missing. The owner's manual gives you a parts list, and here's a picture from my kit. The handle in this kit comes pre-assembled, so we can set that to the side. First, let's take this base piece and install the motor clamp onto it. Make note of the holes and the orientation of these pieces so you don't assemble them backwards. Next, install the 2 Allen bolts and nuts included in the kit. Install these bolts inside out so they don't interfere with the motor. Get the 2 Allen head bolts tight, but not too tight, since you will crush the square tubing if you over tighten them. In my kit, the Allen head bolts took a 6mm bit and the nuts were 13mm. Next, flip the assembly over and install the leg. Once again, make note of the hole in the leg as this needs to line up with the thumb screw. Now slide the axle into the base, install a spacer, then the wheel with the valve stem pointing out. The washer goes next, then the cotter pin. Repeat the same process for the other side. Bend the legs of the cotter pin so they won't fall off, and that's it. Assembly of the Aquos EasyMate is complete. Anyways, hope y'all found this video useful, and if you did, go down and hit one of those like, comment, or subscribe buttons, or maybe all 3. Until next time.